Hey crafters, I am back with an unboxing for you today. I just got an order from Gina K Designs. Let's see what's in the box. Sorry, I've been a little quiet on my channel lately. We've been having some family things going on, and while I have been creating cards, it's been really difficult for me to make videos. I'm hoping to remedy that soon. So Gina updated her shipping carriers and also changed the way she packages things. She mentioned in her Facebook group that they're using recycled paper now, which is great. And no more bubble wrap. And the shipping carrier is also a little different. So I picked up 2 green inks, fresh asparagus and Christmas pine. This was my free incentive set. It is Courage to Fly. I thought this one was cute. Picked up the Twirl It Check stencil because Gina has used it on quite a few cards that I am in love with, and wanted to get that for some holiday cards. So in addition to the green inks, I also picked up some Christmas pine cardstock for holiday creating. And then the main bonus is I picked up the Christmas in July card making kit that she just released. This is actually my first Gina K Designs kit, so I'm very excited. In case you didn't see the unboxing, I will show you what it includes. Here is the insert, and I will show you everything up close. So this is the free gift. It is the Bursting Blossoms 3D embossing folder, which also includes 2 dies. And here they are. It has a set of, let's see, how many stencils? 4? I think there's 4 stencils. I'm not sure. So that was the quote unquote free gift, which was very generous. I do like postage. So her kit includes this, I'd say jumbo postage plus set, and it's holiday themed. I do like this, and I think that will be very cute. This is the Joyful Borders stamp set, which is really large. This is a 6x8 stamp set. So these are all really good sized greetings. Merry Christmas, season's greetings, sending love and warm winter wishes, wishing you joy, peace, love, joy, and a happy new year. So those are a really good size, a couple inches across, great for inside of the card, but also for the card front. And this includes the dies for everything, which I love. What I don't like when I buy something is they give you dies for like some of the images and maybe 1 or 2 sentiments, but then the other sentiments don't have dies. So you're kind of either fussy cutting them out or just doing sentiment strips. So I do like that these have dies for everything, which was one of the motivating factors for me to purchase this, but also because it's so cute. I do like the little ornament border, and Megan and Gina had some cute cards with these border stamps, so that is fun. And then it has this gorgeous poinsettia, however you say it, festive bloom. This is a very large. I want to say, oh, let's see, I have a ruler here. So this is 5 inches across. Yeah, and about 5 inches that way. So 5 inches. So that's going to be a really great size to take up. Basically, an entire A2 card is going to look great. On a 5x7, it has the, I guess these are technically the flowers for the center, so you can stamp it in different colors, some berries for the holly leaves. And I really love these sentiments, Happy Holidays and Merry Christmas. And then it also has a gift for you sent with love, which will be helpful. And all the dies for everything, even the sentiments, which is perfect. And I've already seen quite a few cards with the postage included, and also because it has this large first class frame cover plate. So this is, it doesn't say on the package, but this is just shy of 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So that is going to be perfect on an A2 US card, and also great for a 5x7. So this kit is just absolutely chock full of goodies. I have been waiting patiently, not so patiently, for it to arrive. I thought I'd do a little unboxing in case you haven't seen Gina's new packaging, you were concerned about the new shipping options. And then with the bursting blossoms and the incentive kit, totally going to be able to use these items all year round, not just for the holidays. And then I also got this and some ink. So you will be seeing a lot of these goodies in my Instagram. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I hope you'll stick around for my channel. I have a lot of holiday cards to show you because the SCT Jingle and Joy event just finished. So I'm going to make a couple videos about that event, and stay tuned for that on the channel. Thanks everybody, and happy crafting.